Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Yes, I know it looks bad, but let me show you how to fix it to this gorgeous makeup you see right here. But first, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's get right into the video as usual. Well, I'm starting with my Lifter Plumping Gloss from Maybelline. Guys, this thing right here hurts, but it works. So I started with my Plumping Gloss, and then I went in with my setting spray as my primer today. Everything was moving on smoothly. It was beautiful, and I was very excited to try out my new Yummy Skin from Danessa Merrick's. As you can see, I could already tell this wasn't my shade, but I was like, should I continue or should I stop? A part of me wanted to stop, but I wanted to see what would happen. So I continued, and I was like, oh my God. What am I doing? What am I doing? But you know what? I was really curious, and I was like, I have to see this through to the end. And to be honest, after using my beauty blender, it really didn't look that bad anymore. Well, to me, to fix it, do not use any contour, use your concealer. And on this day, I was just going crazy because tell me why I was using so much concealer, guys. I was just into it and I kept on going. Thank God I didn't use so much on my forehead. If not, you guys already know, the more concealer you use on your forehead, the more it projects and brings out your forehead. So I went in to blend in my concealer, making sure that I'm blending all the harsh lines. Guys, why did I try using a small brush to blend my concealer under my eyes? I don't know, but as you can tell, it didn't really work so well. So I decided to go back in with my beauty blender after the struggle with blending in with a brush. So yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing right here. And I'm just making sure that I'm blending everything seamlessly as I always do. I would say if you find yourself in a situation like this, patience is key. You want to make sure that you're blending everything properly. And I'm going back and forth with my previous beauty blender to just make sure that everything is seamless, and everything you do on one side, you're doing on the other side. Next, I'm using this brush that I normally use to contour my nose. I'm not adding any product. I'm just using whatever is left. And I'm also making sure that there's no under eye creasing before I go in to set my under eyes. This is me just setting my under eyes. Of course, I'm using one of my favorite setting powders at the moment, Huda Beauty. I use this almost every single time. So I'm just setting my under eyes, I'm setting my mustache, forehead, chin, everywhere that I placed my concealer. And to bring more warmth to my face, I'm using my Fenty Beauty powder bronzer. I'm placing that on the perimeters of my forehead, cheekbones. I'm also using this to blend in any harsh lines. And I'm also going in with my face powder, and I'm just using that to blend every areas of my face, all over my face actually. And I'm going in with my blush brush. I didn't add any more blush. I'm just using the brush, whatever product was on it. And I'm just putting that on my cheekbones. And I add a little bit on my nose. And on the eyes, very simple. I'm using my powder bronzer and then darken my waterline lashes, and that's it. And I'm finishing up with my setting spray one more time. And a trick I always do, most times actually, I go back in with a powder to brighten my under eyes a little bit, and lastly mascara in my bottom lashes. And I just decided to add this shimmer eyeshadow in my inner tear dot, and beautiful lip combo. I love a good lip combo, always. I'm using two lip liners, a darker shade and a light brown, and I'm adding a nude lipstick in the center. And I'll be going in with my brown lip gloss over my lip liner. This is how to create a very long lasting lip combo, guys, if you're interested. and I'm going in with this nude lip gloss on top of the nude lipstick. This is beautiful, guys. This is gorgeous. I'm going to list everything in the description box for you guys if you want this exact lip combo. And this is the finished look, guys. Please let me know what you think of this look in the comment section, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. As always, like, comment, let me know what kind of videos you would love to see from me. I love you guys so much, and until my next video, bye my loves. Mwah. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in my next one.